going to start off by putting some oil into my skillet. Now it's time to start the pizza rolls. Alright, sweetie, so I'm going to start by cutting up some of my pepperonis. You can leave them whole, but I'm going to cut mine up. I'm going to do this real quick because the kids are, my daughter's home, my son's on his way. And it's almost time to go trick-or-treating, so I'm just going to cut them into fours just like that. This is going to be very easy. I'm going to get my wonton wraps, boom, pepperonis, mozzarella cheese. You can use marinara sauce, but I'm going to use some traditional ragu sauce. So let's do some pepperoni. Some sauce. Some cheese. I'm being real sloppy with it. My grease is heating up nicely. Nicely, of course it is. All to get popped. And let's be a little greedy. Let's do some more pepperoni. Have a little dab of sauce. And have a little sprinkle of cheese. Now, I think I made this too big. I made it too big. Hold on. Hold on. Learn from my mistake. It's too big. Let's do some pepperoni. Okay. Sauce. I need a little bit more than that. Sauce. Cheese. I'm acting like this is a thing of lasagna, y'all. Okay. Now, wet it. I'm making mine too bulky.
What's up, Mom?
What's up, daughter?
What's up? What you cooking?
Homemade pizza rolls. Alright, y'all. I need to start over. Let's do this.
Can you get one for me? I was watering the plants.
Gonna do what?
I was watering the plants.
Right there. Okay, this one seems to be working a little bit better. Okay, there's another pizza roll. That grease is starting to pop. I gotta be able to run. Okay, let's see if we can make one a little better this time.
I want more pepperonis.
Okay, go ahead.
If I don't want to use pepper, if I don't like these pizza rolls. Can I eat actual pizza rolls?
Do mommy make nasty food?
Sometimes. Let me check.
Yeah, okay. I don't make nasty food. And now you're throwing this in front of my camera. Grease is popping.
Pop, pop.
Okay. These are not turning out the way I wanted them to. Listen. Let's keep going. I'm going to show y'all when I have a lot of my pizza rolls finished. And then we're going to put them in the grease and see how they do. So, fingers crossed.
In the cut with my twin, we be driving. Classic, but you know we be outside, we be outside.
What's the Shamora's dance? We'll be back. Alright, let me test for y'all. I might have to run. Okay, that's so far so good. I'm gonna melt some butter. I have some garlic paste. I'm gonna pour some Parmesan cheese and some parsley flakes. I have these, but if you have fresh, use them. Mix that around a little bit. And my pizza rolls. Okay, here's my pizza rolls. Get some of that good on them. Alright, y'all, let's see how they taste. I'm nervous. Hold on. This is good. My daughter's talking about she's planting the apple tree. I bought her a pizza roll to try. Amira, why? Why are you doing this? The snow's coming soon.
Really?
Yeah. I bought you a pizza roll to try. Oh, it's hot. Here. Mm-hmm.
I'll take that small bite.
Hot. Hold on, I got a blood. All right. Need more cheese.
Not that piece, the other piece.
There's no meat on there or cheese.
Do you like a Chuck E. Cheese pizza?
Chuck E. Cheese pizza. So that's better than a pizza roll. You like it?
No.
You don't like it? Why? Why don't you like it? I'm here. All right. Bye. So she don't like it. Yeah, come on. Get out the dirt. You got school shoes on.
'Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool.